So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal monthly health, career, and finances reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of Feb 2026. Please keep in mind this is general reading. This might or might not resonate. Don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading, honey. Sometimes people do that. I'm not a health counselor. I'm not a medical practitioner, career counselor, or financial advisor. I'm just reading the cards. Please keep that in mind while watching the videos. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box and find the links below. And for tarot reading, tarot reading course, my goodness, I forgot. Ho'oponopono masterclass links are given below. Forget about it. Let's see. Scorpio, let's see what we have for you guys. We have the Eight of Pentacles. Whatever you are going to do with your health, you are going to get the results accordingly. Okay, it's simple as that. For you guys, for this month, it's like the universe is not lenient with you. The universe is going to be a little bit on the stricter side. If you are not going to take care of your health, you are going to get some kind of troubles. Now, I don't see major life threatening troubles here, but if you're already going through something, please take care of yourself. If you are just doing fine and you are not going to take care of the little things, you are going to have little troubles. Simply whatever you are going to put in your health area, you are going to get the results accordingly. Slow and steady results. Consistency matters. Guidance is the Ace of Swords. Okay, you guys have to have a proper clarity and understanding of what your health requires right now at this present moment. Maybe get your blood test done, and some, if you're having some kind of trouble maybe in your sleep, just an example, and otherwise you're doing fine. Maybe there is some kind of hormonal issues or something that's kind of creating these things, these issues for you. So if you are going to get the proper clarity and understanding of what's happening inside of your body, you will be able to tackle it on time, and you will be able to save a lot of time, efforts, energy, and money too, right? So get a health checkup done if you are having persistent issues, even if it is a small one, so that you can grab the issue on time only. Okay, my love. Let's see, for those of you who are working for others or doing job, we have the Five of Pentacles. You guys are going to feel like left out in the cold. Like you guys are going to feel like you are not being appreciated as much as you should be. There are people around you, or the work environment is kind of little bit disturbing. For some of you, it can be a job loss thing as well, but even if it is going to be a job loss, as it's a minor arcana card, you guys will be able to get another one very quickly, or you guys will be able to recover very soon. So whatever is happening in your work area, you might be working too much, there's too much pressure, and you are feeling like an underrated actor in Hollywood or Bollywood, where they have the potential, but even if like they are doing their best, people are not able to recognize them. That kind of feeling I'm getting for you guys. Gosh. Guidance here is the Hermit card. Let this phase pass. You have gone through this kind of same kind of shit before also in your life, Scorpio. So don't worry about it too much. The more you are going to give your attention to the negative side, the more it's going to be like you're going to attract more negativity. So I'm not saying not to feel, not to think about it. Yes, feel about it, think about it, but try to just stay calm and let this phase pass, because it's not going to be permanent. Nothing is permanent, right? It's just a temporary hiccup in the road, right? And you will be able to pass over it. So definitely don't make any kind of life changing decisions regarding your job thing in this month, especially till the 19th or 20th of Feb. Afterwards you can think about it. Slow and gentle movements. If you're doing your own business, or if you are a self-employed person, we have the Eight of Swords. More than the issue, more than any other issue that you're going to face in your business thing, it's your own mental jail kind of situation. It's your own overthinking that is actually going to stop you from moving forward in your business thing. Now, I'm not saying there are not going to be any kind of real issues, the issue is going to be maybe 10% problematic, and your mind is going to make it 1000% problematic. So instead of focusing on the issue, try to focus on the solution. If by any chance you don't have any solution for that thing, let this phase pass. Again, the only solution to things that we cannot control or change is to just witness them and let that phase pass with calmness. Okay. So in your career area, Scorpio, I do see you guys are not going to be doing very well mentally and emotionally. Maybe things are not going to be that much, you know, bad. But again, we humans have this tendency to create stories and scenarios that may or may not get true in this lifetime. But we tend to do that. So try to not to do that. Try. Guidance is the five of swords. You're stressing too much over things that you cannot change or control, Scorpio. I told you the same thing, but I think I should repeat. The more you are going to stress over things that you cannot change or control in in your life, the more it's going to become stressful for you only. And then there is a tendency of you making more mistakes than making the right decisions or right choices. Do not make any kind of life changing decisions regarding your career or any kind of drastic changes regarding your career, whether you are doing business or job person, in this month for sure, because the energies are not aligned. Now for those of you where everything is fine, everything is good, then it's not for you. Please, again, don't add negativity forcibly to your good life. For those of you who are job seekers or business seekers, whether you are uh, wow, whether you guys are, my goodness, I'm losing words here, experienced or freshers, we have the eight of wands. So you guys will be able to get some kind of opportunity because of your confidence, because of your communication skills. The way you are going to present yourself is actually going to land you a good job opportunity or work opportunity. So the way you are going to be confident enough, the way you are going to communicate with other people is actually going to uh, flip the page for you, and you guys will be able to get a very good opportunity. For some of you, you guys have to travel to another city or maybe another country, for some of you, to get this thing, to get this job or work thing done. But it is going to be rewarding. It is going to be exciting and rewarding and helpful for you guys. You guys are going to feel very happy at the end of the day. Guidance is the sun card. Yeah, see, this is the happiest card in the deck. Keep your energies high, keep on vibrating on this high level of energies, and you guys will be able to manifest everything very quickly in your life. So for people who are freshers, who are seeking for a career or business or job opportunity, even if you're not a fresher, you are not having any work right now, but you're looking for one, there are very very good chances of you guys getting a very fantastic opportunity. All you have to do from your side, keep your communication skill, your confidence level goods, and your vibrations high. Focus on the positives, focus on the positives and keep going, and have this happy go lucky charming energy. Don't fake it, but have it naturally, your natural charm. Use your natural charm, use your natural energies, natural confident energies, and you're good to go. Awesome. Regarding your finances, we have the Queen of Pentacles. You guys will be able to have stable finances after a long period of struggle, maybe, Scorpio. Finally, you guys will be able to come back to maybe normal and above normal, right? For those of you who were struggling, you guys will be able to come back on track. For those of you who are working on their finances, deliberately, you guys will be able to bear the results of your hard work. Eventually your finances will start working out in your favor. You guys will be able to have some kind of stable returns. Maybe for some of you, you guys will be planning your retirement or something, and it's going to be quite good for you guys. You guys are going to feel happy about it, content and stable about it. Awesome energy. Guidance is the Ten of Swords. Refrain from making any kind of drastic moves, drastic changes when it comes to your financial area, financial sector. Let's say, for example, your finances are growing slowly but surely, and out of nowhere you are going to feel like, let me just invest in 10 things, 10 other things also, so I'm going to get the results fastly. Don't do that. Don't make any kind of drastic life changing decisions in your finances too. Warning, it's a warning sign. If you are planning to do something stupid with your money, don't do that, especially if it is coming out of nowhere. It's not a well planned and well thought of, well put together kind of energy. It's definitely going to go against you if not taken care of properly and honestly. Hmm? Focus on slow and steady long term growth for the time being. Okay, my love. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.